Yo guys, Vimal here. Did you all miss me? It's been almost like 5-6 days I haven't posted any video on the channel, and main reason for that is in case if you have been following me on my social media profiles like Instagram, you might know, right? I was actually traveling in Thailand for a tech event. Very interesting event, guys. I shot lots of interesting videos on local markets, tech shopping. You can definitely expect all of that content and vlogs drop in this week, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, coming back to my work, right, regular stuff, I've got like mad number of videos, unboxings and reviews to do, so maybe you can expect like a day-to-day basis videos also. Stay tuned for all of these interesting content. First of all, let me tell you, I am working on a brand new PC build, guys, Project Boreas. Now that is actually an Easter egg. Let's see how many of you people can decode the meaning behind that. And for the same thing, right, I've ordered lots of components. They're actually on the way, and some of them have already arrived, and that includes a brand new case as well. And this is like a very special case, and I believe you've never seen a case like this before. What you people, in fact, this is my first time checking out the case like this. And the main concept of this case is like it's mainly designed for like excellent performance, thermal design and airflow, guys. This case literally has like 7 different size fans on the inside and is mainly designed for cooling. I'm telling you, right, I usually don't make videos on cases, and if I'm actually doing that, assume it is going to be special. The case I'm going to show you in this video is MSI's all new MPG Gungnir 300p Airflow Edition case. And as I've told you, it literally has around like 7 fans, guys, at different positions, which you might have never seen before. Plenty of interesting features, including comes with like a vertical GPU bracket as well, and also has like an included PCI 4.0 riser cable also pre-installed in the case. So what I'm going to do is I'll quickly unbox it and give you like a closer look at the case, and then we'll talk about all of its features and basically like a quick review on the product. So our brand new MSI's MPG Gungnir 300p Airflow Edition case came in this sort of box packaging. Very simple sort of packaging. You just have the MSI branding over here. Let me quickly unbox and show it to you people. As soon as you open it, we actually have an accessory box at the top side, which includes some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. Couple of screws, maybe for motherboard installation, and cable ties are also there. Plus this is a very unique accessory. It's actually a switchable GPU bracket. I've told you, right, the case supports up to like 7 different fans, and the GPU bracket can accommodate 2 mini fans on board, guys, for additional cooling when you're vertical mounting the GPU. That is actually pre-installed with the case itself. If you want to remove that and you're going for a regular build, right, you can actually replace it with this particular bracket. And there you go, boys, our very first hands-on and look at MSI's all new Gungnir 300p Airflow Edition case. I'm not sure if it's available in white edition, but today in the house we have the standard black color edition. Oh my god, look at this beautiful looking case. As I've told you, the whole concept of this case was mainly designed and targeted for like excellent thermal solution and airflow enhanced design, guys. For that, right, the whole case has like perforated design on the front, at the top, to the side, and also on the inside PSU shroud as well. First of all, let me give you like a closer look at the case and talk about the design and build quality. MSI's all new Gungnir 300p Airflow is a mid-tower case and supports all sorts of motherboards form factors, including even up to like eATX form factor as well. If you look at the design, right, very beautiful design. On the front, you're actually getting like a diamond cut design at the center. That too, the whole front mesh is actually like a perforated mesh. So you're getting 2 added benefits for this. First of all, it adds like improved airflow because everything is open, right? Perforated design sucks in a lot of air with the fans. And second thing is it also acts like a dust filter and basically blocks all sort of dust from entering into your case. And you can easily remove this and clean it once in a while to keep your PC looking good. On the left profile of the case, you're getting a tempered glass panel, and on the other side, you're getting a semi-perforated metal cover. Let me give you a closer look on the inside and also talk about all the features that you're getting over here. As I've told you, this is a mid-tower case and supports all sorts of form factor motherboards from mini ITX to all the way up to eATX as well. And build quality of the case is also very good. Entire body is made of like metal, and look at this, even the powder coating quality is also nice. And one thing you can definitely notice from our initial impressions is there's a lot going on over here. I mean, look at the number of accessories MSI is including. Plenty of fans, that too at different positions. Riser cable is pre-installed in the case, and also has like a fully adjustable omnidirectional graphic card holder, that too with RGB lighting. Kinda cool, I would say. First of all, let me show you all the fans you're getting. On board, as I've told you, you're getting a total of 7 fans of different sizes. Look at the front profile. 3 120mm PWM fans are included. Unfortunately, these fans do not support RGB lighting because they're mainly optimized for like airflow sort of design, guys. But still, you can anytime replace them with your regular RGB fans of your choice. I'll leave that up to you. Going to the backside, rear profile also supports 1 120mm PWM fans which came already pre-installed in the case. At the top profile also it supports like 3 120mm fans, but again that is for the radiator and AIO cooler, right? So they do not come installed. And also interesting part, as I've told you guys, just beside the motherboard panel, right, here you're actually getting like an included tiny fan that adds more airflow to cool down your graphic card. Plus also, as I've told you, the whole GPU bracket also comes included with 260mm fans, guys. You know, the whole airflow design is definitely piquing my interest, so I want to see how this thing performs when you actually build a PC using this case. Anyways, not just that, as I've told you, the whole case has like a perforated sort of design. Not just the exteriors, even on the interiors as well. I mean, just look at this PSU shroud and PSU cover. Here also you're getting like fully perforated design to keep your hard disk, SSD and also power supply running cool. Having a closer look, as I've told you, you're also getting a pre-included PCI 4.0 riser cable included in the case. So in case if you want to vertical mount your GPU in the case, right, you can readily do that. You don't need to buy an additional accessory because that itself costs around like 3,500 rupees. You're saving that much amount of money over here and definitely looks of good quality, guys. Simply insert that into your motherboard and install the graphic card onto this base PCI riser 4.0 cable accessory, and that's it. You're all good to go. Additionally, you're also getting an included omnidirectional graphic card holder. I mean, look at this beautiful looking design, right? It has a transparent sort of design with their MSI Dragon embedded on the front side, and the whole thing has like customizable RGB lighting which you can easily sync with your motherboard software. Plus, as I've told you, it's like fully customizable, guys, in every sort of possible direction. You can rotate it in 90 degrees, so it gives support for both vertical mounted GPU as well as your regular position GPU. And not only that, you can even adjust the height of this thing, depth as well, and as I've told you guys, fully adjustable omnidirectional GPU holder. Now you might even ask about the AIO cooler and radiator support, right? The case supports a maximum of up to 360mm radiator, that to 2 different positions. You can either fix it at the top position or on the front side as well. Choice is up to you. And in case if you want to go intense and do like a push-pull configuration, you can accommodate a total number of 10 fans into this case. Insane, right? Alright, so that was basically a quick look at the interiors. Let me also show you the top profile and basically what you're getting over here. As usual, like most of the other cases, you're getting a magnetic dust filter at the top side, very good quality. And here's how the bottom profile looks like. I've told you, right, the case supports up to like 360mm radiator at the top side, and that too very comfortably you can fix it because it's like very spacious on the inside, guys. No hassle, I believe, installation. You'll get to know that anyhow once we get started with our PC build project. Let me also quickly show you all the available connectivity ports on the front panel of this case. Looks like decent amount of connectivity ports. You're getting 2 USB 3.0 Type A ports available. A Type-C port is also there, USB 3.0. Just beside that, you're getting a 3.5mm audio and microphone jack available. And on the other side, you're getting a reset button and a power on start button. And that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. That was our unboxing and quick review on MSI's all new MPG Gungnir 300p Airflow Edition case. I'm like very excited to build my upcoming PC project with this case. As I've told you, it's going to be called as PC Project Boreas, and we'll be using a lot of interesting other components as well. And let me know if you have any other requests as well, maybe to incorporate in this build, and I'll definitely try to add that in my video. Apart from that, if you have any sort of questions, you can definitely let me know. And what should we do next, guys? Lots of interesting videos are there. As I've told you, April is going to be like a mad busy schedule, I would say. You can expect videos almost like day-to-day basis, or at least on an alternative day-to-day basis as well. So I'll anyhow keep you guys posted. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out something really awesome on the channel, make sure to smash that like video and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.